Finally, dumating na yung ano tawag din? Soft cover ng truck bed. So, install natin. Kaso, tirik na tirik yung araw. So, let's go. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung ulo. Alright, what's this? One resolution. Yeah.
One eternity later.
Alright, so base instruction manual nila. It says isang oras daw. So it's 11:51. Kung pagtapos tayo, mga 1 na siguro. Yun lang. Yun lang. Nagtakot.
Much later. So, yung the second fold, wala siyang lock or ano, nasa third fold yung lock. So, second fold, it's parang normal lang. So, yung third fold, yung may lock, yung may magsisecure ng cover natin. Wait, secure ko muna yung camera pamahulog. Alright, so the init. So the third fold, the one has a lock, and para mag-secure yung bed cover natin. So far parang fit naman siya. So I'm still not sure ko para saan yun. yung nakabalot. So, check natin. Kita ba? Alright, so yung isa is ito. Ito yung lock niya. So, hilain. And then, pwede rin naman siyang ma-adjust. Or, paano ba? So, I think hila lang eh. Wala nang adjust ata to eh. Secure muna natin. There you go. And yung isa. Right. There you go. Tapos na. So, check natin kung okay siya. You know. Tama oh. Swak na swak oh. So, may rubber siya dito sa pagitan. And to secure na parang walang pumapasok ng tubig. Ay, parang drama. Init. Oh God. So, yun na yun. So, kinuha ko lang yung soft cover kasi hindi siya mabigat, magaan siya. So, hindi naman tayo mag-off-road ng sobrang hirap. So, let's stick naman tayo sa safe and easy trail if ever makatime. So for the meantime, for security purposes, okay na yung soft cover trifold ng wheel truck Trifecta E-Series. So muna search kung anong purpose nun. Yung isa, yung nagda-dangling sa pinakadulo ng part. And ito na yan. Hope you enjoyed this video. So yun na nga mga guys. So it's already installed. Everything went well. Madali naman. Yeah. Medyo umabot lang ng 30 minutes. Mabilis lang. And wala na akong in-install na from the hardware. Kasi yung bed cover, meron na naman siyang cover dun. So, okay naman siya. So, once again guys, thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.